Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing the no makeup look. This is me without any makeup on right now. And this is the before, so you could have a good look at my face without makeup on. Go up closer. And now we're ready to start. Now the first thing that I always start off with when I do my own makeup is sun protection, and I'm using the number 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Facial Sun Protection SPF 50. Just apply that all over the face, upward circular motions. Give the skin a nice glow as well because it gives a nice luminosity. And this doesn't have any coverage in it, but it definitely gives you a glow, I find, when I apply it. And just put some on the forehead as well. I'll apply a bit more to the neck and get some spread around the eyes as well. Gives that skin a fresh, dewy glow, which I love. A bit more and put it on the neck. I'll put some on the eyes first. And ring fingers. Gently tap it on. Or I can do it quickly, but I find slow motions that don't drag to be the best. Now to do the neck, before I go in with the primer. Bit down there too. Maybe a tiny more on the neck, because I like to be cautious. Never do things by halves. Now I'm going in with the number 7 Airbrush Away Radiance Boosting Primer, and I'm going to put that all over the face. I'm going to get one part and just like this between the ring fingers and just apply. Create a nice, flawless, smooth base. I love makeup. I love a primer under makeup. I love a nice sunny day like today. It makes my skin look absolutely glorious when I'm filming, rather than a grey day. That's why last week I haven't been able to film so much, because the lighting has been shit. But today it's been really, really good. Fresh lighting, which I really like. I forgot I had the primer in my pocket. I just like to take some more and put it here and here, more on the cheeks. Just because I like an even coverage on the nose. Now, going to do the under eyes with this. The ring fingers, because that has the gentlest amount of pressure. My eyes are really popping today. Look at that. I can really see in the mirror my eyes are popping. And today there's not a dark circle in sight. Perfect. My skin looks so youthful today. I'm 26 and look like a teenager today. Perfect. Now I'm going to do the forehead. Put plenty on the forehead. Just make it nice, dewy, you know, nice and I love a dewy finish on the skin. That really helps with a no makeup look, just to make it look fresh and vibrant. A great skincare routine really helps as well. Absolutely. Now I'm going in with the number 7 Beauty Balm Tinted Skin Veil, which also has sun protection in it. But like I say in other videos, I like to apply this over sun protection so that I get plenty of it, because makeup doesn't always cover the doesn't always give you the right amount of protection. This gives more coverage than anything else, but it's not a full coverage, it's more of a sheer coverage. You can use whatever coverage you need, but I like to use a sheer coverage for my skin because, you know, I like to show off my skin, you know, without it looking like I've caked on makeup and things like that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Put it over primer and your skin just glows. And after this video, I'm going to do a Chinese New Year look video. So I'll already have makeup on in the next video, so there'll be no skin prep for that one. But this will just give me a flawless base for, you know, if I want to go out during the day and get some more. Put it on the chin and upper lip area. Just a nice bit of light makeup, just brightens everything up. Should have plenty on this side as well. Now I'm going to go for the forehead and do that area. Upward circular motion. Always makes me feel good when I have fresh, youthful, dewy looking skin. Another thing I like to do first is get a bit of mascara, just to make the eyes pop without too much makeup. I'm using brown mascara, and I think this is from Larvel. You can get this at the boys' stores. Small mirror. Check the right eye first, then go for the left. Some people like to do the lower lashes, but I like to just do the upper lashes. And next, I'll do the blusher while I wait for this to dry. Now, for the blusher, what I like to do is that I like to use the Larvel Raspberry Shimmer lipstick. It's just a pink. You do need a bit of this. And just take stripes like that. But don't worry, it fades and just gives you a little bit of colour. It's not as strong as you think it'll be. This isn't like, you know, stripes on your face. It's not going to look like that. See, it's already gone in. In fact, I need a bit more. Just give me that natural looking flush. Really flattering. Now I'm going to use the number 7 Hydroluminous Dark Circle Corrector, and I use this on my upper lip area and the chin as well as the under eyes. I need to use it under eyes because the mascara might have transferred to the eye sockets, which can make under eyes look like they have dark circles when they actually don't, when they naturally don't as well. Okay. I think that's especially important. Trinny Woodall mentions it in her book as well, that when you have your eyelashes tinted, sometimes you do need to use a bit of concealer under the eyes so that you can, you know, so that whatever's transferred from the dye, the darker dye, doesn't make you look like you have dark circles. I'm going to take a little bit of the ring finger and put it on my eyes just for freshness. Between the ring fingers, and on goes the coverage in a V shape. Just evenly spreads it. And after this, I'm going to take even more lipstick and use it as blusher because I still don't think I have enough. I'm just going to have to go for it a bit more. So just like that, just to add more colour. Now it feels like it's actually giving me a bit of colour. And if you ever put too much colour on, you can always go back in with a concealer or with your BB cream. I just like to have a bit of colour on my cheeks, just wakes them up. And because the BB cream and concealer transfers onto the lips, I like to put on a bit of lipstick as well, just a little bit, and just rub that on, build it up. And because this is raspberry shimmer, when you put it on your cheeks, it gives you a bit of highlight as well. So it's like a blush lighter because it has a bit of shimmer. I put on a bit more just to give my lips a bit more colour. So it looks natural, but at the same time it doesn't look colourless. A bit more. Just need to build it up. And this is me after I've applied the makeup. And I'll show you from further away. And back up close. So that is the no makeup tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year makeup tutorial next. I hope you all have a wonderful day, guys, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!